Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this session, we will solve this algebraic problem. Here we have if x is equal to 23 over square root 31 plus 12 square root 3, then we'll have to find the value of x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 20x square minus 27x plus 30, and whole the terms is divided by x square plus 4x minus 21. So before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Now solution of this problem. So the denominator value of x is given under a square root. So first we'll solve the square root value, that is 31 plus 12 square root 3, and it's having square root. Now for solving this type of problem, this is the value of 2 times ab, right? And 31 is the value of a square plus b square, right? So that we can make it a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. In the next, we'll split 12 square root 3 as 2 times ab, means 2 multiplied by a will be something and b will be something, and that value will be 12 square root 3. Now first we'll split 2 from here, so it is 2 multiplied by 6 square root 3. So 6 is the value of AB, right? So now we'll split this 6 square root 3 as AB. So either we can write it as 2 multiplied by 3 square root 3. So it will be A and this will be B. So now value of A square and B square, right? So value of A square will be 2 square is 4 and B square means 3 square is 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Now if we'll add these two, a square and b square, it will be 27 and 1 31, right? So here we have got 31, and here also a square and b square is 31. So here a is our 2, a is our 2, and b is 3 square root 3. So now this expression we can write it as square root a is 2 square plus b square is 3 square root 3 and its square, and here plus 2 times ab, 2 multiplied by 3 square root 3. So the value of this term will become a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, means it is a plus b whole square, and it's having square root. So here square root and square value will be cancelled. So we can write as a plus b, a plus b. So the value of a plus b here is 2 plus 3 square root 3, right? So it is the value of denominator. So here we have calculated value of x, that is equal to 23 over, we'll write first 3 square root 3, so it is 3 square root 3 plus 2, right? Now for removing this square root value, we'll multiply numerator and denominator by this conjugate value, means 3 square root 3 negative 2. Here we have positive 2 and we'll multiply denominator and numerator with negative 2. So now in the denominator also 3 square root 3 minus 2, right? Now it is again a plus b multiplied by a minus b in the denominator. So it is, we can write it as a square minus b square, means 3 square root 3 whole square minus b square means 2 square, right? Hope you have understood it. Now in the numerator we have 23 multiplied by 3 square root 3 minus 2. Now let's simplify this. So first it will be, now 3 square root 3 whole square, so 3 square is 9 multiplied by square root 3 square is 3, so 9 multiplied 3 is 27. So here it is 27 minus 2 square is 4. In the numerator we have 23 multiplied by 3 square root 3 minus 2, right? Now the value of x is equal to, it is 23, in the bracket we have 3 square root 3 minus 2 divided by 27 minus 4 is 23, right? So 23 and 23 is cancelled here. So here we have calculated x is equal to 3 square root 3 minus 2, right? Now for removing this square root 3, we'll take negative 2 in the left hand side. So our equation will be x plus 2. So it will be plus, and that's equal to 3 square root 3. Now we'll square both sides. Now it is a plus b whole square, and the formula of it is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, right? So a square means x square, b square means 2 square is 4 plus 2 times ab, 2 multiplied 2 is 4 and x, it is 4x. And that is equal to, in the right hand side, 3 square is 9 and 3 27. So now we'll take this 4 in the right hand side, it will be negative 4. So we can write x square plus 4x, that is equal to 27 minus 4 is 23. Now we have calculated x square plus 4x, that is equal to 23. So here we have x square plus 4x, so we can write it as 23. So now finally we'll have to calculate the numerator value of this expression, and here we have calculated x square plus 4x. Now here we have copied down the numerator. Now we'll split it, so we can write x4 as it is. Now we'll split this value so that we can get the common factor as x square plus 4x. Now we'll split 5x cube as 4x cube plus x cube. 4x cube plus x cube, the value of this term will be 5x cube. Now for making x square plus 4x as factor, we'll have to write it as plus 4x square, right? And here we have negative 20x square, so we'll have to write negative 24x square. So that value of this term, these two terms will be negative 20x square, and we are left with negative 27x plus 30. Now from the first two we can take x square common. So x square will take common, and remaining here is x square plus here it is 4x. Now from the next two we'll take plus x common. So we'll take plus x common. So here it is x square and here it will be plus 4x, right? And now we'll write this rest of the term. So it is negative 24x square minus 27x plus 30, right? Now here we have calculated x square plus 4x value, and it is 23. So we'll replace it by 23. So it is x square multiplied by 23 plus here x multiplied by value of this term is also 23. So it is 23, and here we have negative 24x square negative 27x plus 30. Now here it is 23x square and negative 24x square. It will be negative x square, right? And now negative 27x and positive 23x, it will be negative 4x, right? And here it is plus 30. Now again from these two terms we'll take negative 1 common. So if we'll take negative 1 common from these two, the remaining here is x square, and we have taken negative common, so it will be plus 4x, and the remaining here is plus 30. Now the value of this term, it is 23. Now let's simplify it. So it is negative 1 multiplied by the value of this term is 23, right? It is 23 plus 30. So it is negative 23 plus 30, that is equal to 7. Now here we have calculated the value of numerator, that is numerator value is 7. So it is 7 divided by the value of this term is 23. So it is 23 minus 21, right? So 7 divided by 23 minus 21 is 2, and 7 over 2 is 3.5. So finally the value of all the terms become 3.5, and thus our answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to comment on the video. Thank you for watching the video.